Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Winnie's Artisan Journey. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy wellness herbal tea with some ingredients that you can easily find in the corner of your fridge. The method of making this herbal tea is super easy and hassle-free because no cooking required at all. I call it a herbal tea because it's a concoction mixture of Eastern and Western ingredients in a jar. Overall, it's a wellness tea because it helps to replenish and rejuvenate our body that benefits our total well-being. Chinese red dates, or better known as jujube berries, give a natural flush to one's cheeks due to its iron content. Jujube fruit are called red dates because of how similar they look and taste to Middle Eastern brown dates. They are not only rich in healthy antioxidants, but it also contains 32 times the vitamin C. The Chinese saying goes, 3 jujube berries a day keeps you young forever. So for those seeking to stay young and beautiful, this tea is for you. Goji berry, also called wolfberry. Goji berries are believed to protect against age-related eye diseases. Goji berries can help vision because they contain high level of healthy antioxidants. The word longan derived from the Cantonese word because it simply means the eyes of the legendary dragon. It helps us improve the skin health, nourishes the blood, increases circulation, and enhances our memory. In Chinese traditional medicine, it is used to increase the qi, which is the energy of the heart, and is used as a beauty tonic. Drinking dried rosebud tea can help us to relax after a busy day, and it can help to calm the central nervous system, reducing the chance of depression and anxiety. In short, this combo helps us to replenish vital energy and improve blood circulation, thus keeping our body warm. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy the whole process of the journey together with me. And please subscribe to my channel, Vinnie's Artisan Journey. Till then,